good evening. Now is really the best martini ever. It's very popular in Europe. So I will show you how to do it. Let's go. The vodka. And then the vanilla liqueur.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank
Thank you.
Vanilla liqueur.
Tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Merci
Yeah.
beaucoup. Tomorrow, merci
See you tomorrow. And then lime juice. And sugar syrup. Fresh passion fruit. Some the passion fruit liqueur. Shake the ball. Okay, very good. Okay, let's do strainer.
There you go. We got Monster Martini.
Okay, very good. So it's Monster Martini.
Okay,
It's a Monster Martini. It's a very nice one. There you go.